So you have learned a freelancing skill, maybe web design, content writing, video editing, and you're all set to make money online. But here's the reality. You're still not getting clients, no orders, no income. Well, you are not alone. There are thousands of freelancers stuck in the same loop. They are talented, skilled, but not earning. But why does this happen? Let's break it down. Most of the people focus all their energy on learning the skill, but they never learn how to sell that skill. For example, you learn video editing, and the first thing you do is create a Fiverr or a profile. You make some gigs, send some proposals, and then you wait for clients, and nothing happens. Why? Because you don't understand how those platforms work. You don't know their algorithms, and that's where most people give up. Now, just think about it. If there are already 10,000 services on Fiverr offering the same thing as you, how's your service going to stand out? Unless you understand the algorithms of that platform, how to rank, how to write a killer title, how to present your service, you will keep feeling stuck. Now just pause for a second and ask yourself, if I were the client scrolling through dozens of freelancers based on only on title, thumbnails and description, who would I choose? And once you start seeing your profile the way a client see it, you will start to understand what actually makes someone click, message and hire. Let's get one thing straight. Freelancing is not about learning a skill. It's about learning how to sell that skill. It's like building an app or website. If no one knows about it, it's useless. You can't always hire a marketing team, especially if you are a solo freelancer. That means you need to learn basic marketing. You have to know how to attract clients, pitch your services, and communicate clearly. If Fiverr or Upwork aren't working for you, don't panic. There are so many other ways to get clients. Here is a list of websites where you can find remote jobs and freelance roles. And if you are a complete beginner and don't know where to start, you can watch my previous video where I explain the steps to get into freelancing. So what's actually holding you back? Most freelancers don't fail because they don't have the skill. They fail because they don't know how to present it. They don't know how to reach the right audience. Even if someone hands them a client's email, they don't know how to pitch it properly. Their communication is weak, their confidence is low, and their profile doesn't speak to the client. That's what needs fixing. So if you're serious about making this work, here's what you really need to focus on. First, learn a skill, but also learn how to market it. Second, understand the freelance platform algorithms. Third, work on your communication and confidence. Fourth, keep learning. And last, don't just sit, reach out, hunt for clients actively. When you start freelancing, think of it like planting a seed. You won't see results right away, but if you keep showing up, watering it, putting in the work, they will come. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.